Hi, all of you. Good evening. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, today we want to discuss. I will try to this session will I will try to cover more into AI beyond basics. So, last session, what we did some basic kind of artificial intelligence, generative AI, machine learning, embedded, vector, generative AI, LLMs. So that we have covered already, the foundation model or the basic model. Now today we will learn more about AI, but that's a new AI concept, and every learner should know. So in the previous sessions we talked about artificial intelligence, machine learning, generative AI, large language models, and RAG. Now, today we are going one step further and exploring new AI concepts that every learner should know. Okay, so few of the topics which I wrote in the board, that is AI familiar with few topics. Prompt engineering, we will know today what is prompt engineering, how we can cover prompt engineering, some basic idea. AI agents, vector database, AI hallucinations, computer vision, and AI in everyday apps. Okay, everywhere apps. Okay, these are the topics we will cover today in a very smaller note. Okay, now first we will cover prompt engineering. So, what is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering. So, when we say prompt engineering, that means you have to be in this particular word. It means immediate. Prompt means immediate. Okay, engineering. So you once you're giving some input in some application, based on that input, the the way of input or the desired output you are looking expectation from AI. So the more you will give better input, it will give better result. So for that there are certain techniques for the prompt engineering we should cover today. Now this prompt engineering, let's begin. That prompt engineering simply means how you ask questions to AI system. How ask questions to AI system. Based on the questions you are asking, it will give the desired result. Now the result it will give based on your question. Now the behavior or the well manner you will give the question, the more you will get a better result. So we need to know that how we can improve our prompt or how we can give the prompt to get a better result. The quality of the AI response depends heavily on the quality of the prompt. These things we need to remember. Example, if I give you an example like basic prompt, okay, some basic prompt you can think as an example like explain artificial intelligence. If you are giving a prompt, explain about artificial intelligence, this is my basic prompt. Okay, this is my basic prompt. I am giving this prompt to the AI system. Okay, now once we are giving this prompt, explain artificial intelligence in simple language for a beginner with real life examples. How, like we are giving you explain, so it will give the result as an output. What is prompt, how the prompt can work, and some definition of prompt. So maybe that will fulfill your expectation as a result. So prompt techniques include role prompting, that is act step by step we will come to know what is role prompting, how, and context of the prompting. So role prompting, step by step prompting, and context prompting, these are the prompt techniques mainly we covered. We should know. And prompt engineering helps user to get better and more accurate results from AI tools. So we will learn, we will cover this prompt engineering technique because it is a large topic, it is a big volume of topic. I will come to in detail session for this prompt engineering. I am coming to the next topic, our AI agents. How AI agents work? AI agents. Now, AI agents. What is AI agents? AI agents are the next revolution to AI system. So, unlike normal chatbots, we have seen various kind of chatbots, right? Now, chatbots are in airlines industry, medical industry. You want to know, suppose in medical industry, you want to know about doctors availability. So that bot will help with the list of doctors with the availability. So various ways we can use the chatbots. So now AI agents are the next revolution. So this advanced level of chatbot is the AI agent, which can plan, reason, and execute certain tasks automatically. It can take more decisions like a human. It can take independent decisions. Example: an AI search agent can search the search the internet independently. Okay, search the internet, read multiple articles, summarize some insights, and create a final report. Okay, so example I can say, for example of AI agents include Auto GPT and AI search assistant. So example, few examples, these are the examples: Auto GPT and what else we have? AI search, AI research, AI research, AI research assistants, right? AI research assistants. So Auto GPT AI research assistant is the familiar example for the AI agents. We have multiple examples of AI agents, like Gemini also work in AI agents, Google Gemini. Then Vertex AI recommendation engine works as an AI agent. So these are the few examples. Okay. So this is also a larger topic we will cover. So these are the basic we need to know what is AI agent, what is prompt engineering. I will come back to the next topic today, that is vector database. We need to know what is VD, what is vector database. We need to know what is vector database. Vector database are stored embeddings. Okay, embeddings are numerical representation of text, images or data. So what is vector database? Store embedding. And what it store? It can store embeddings are it's a numerical representation of what? It's a numerical representation. This actually vector database is a numerical representation. Representation, and it stores text. It represents text, images or data. So that is called vector embeddings. Words, like for an example, words with similar meanings. Okay, there are various thousands of words which have similar meanings, have similar vector representation. So when I can give like an example, like if I say car, vehicle. Okay, so car and vehicle are the similar meanings are there. And if I say automobile, automobile, so these all belongs to the similar family. Okay, meanings are same. Okay, and have related meanings, have their vectors are close to each other. So we can say that car, vehicle and automobile are having the similar meanings. So we can say that their vectors are similar to each other. Example of vector database. What are the vector database examples? Which are the category of database are called vector database? Like we have Pinecone. I can write here Pinecone. Number two, we have FAIS, Chroma, FAISS, then Chroma. These are the few vector databases which help AI system perform semantic search. It works as a semantic search. Okay, semantic search. So now this all about vector database. We should know these basic of vector database. Basic. Okay. Now we will come back with the topic AI hallucination. AI hallucination. Listen to me very carefully. AI hallucination is very important in AI technology. We will cover this today. What is AI hallucination? Why we focus on AI hallucination? What exactly it deals with AI hallucination? These are the few basic things we will cover today. AI hallucination. AI hallucination. Okay. So what is AI hallucination? AI hallucination occurs when an AI system generates incorrect or fabricated information. So generate incorrect and fabricated, not correct, fabricated, artificial fabricated information. Okay, whatever the prompt we are given, whatever the input we are given, maybe AI system unable to find out that information, and for that it's giving an incorrect information which is not matching with my prompt. So this happens because language models predict words rather than verify facts. Why it happens? Because whatever the language model, the LLM models which are we are using, these models predict words, okay, rather than verify facts. They never verify facts. They predict the words. To reduce this hallucination, so how we will reduce this? How we will mitigate this? Reduce this hallucination. There are certain steps where developer follows. Okay, so retrieval, for that we need to use retrieval augmented generation, what we have covered last session, RAG. For reduce this hallucination, we have to use RAG. Okay, what else we can mitigate this hallucination? Retrieval augmented generation, then knowledge retrieval. Now knowledge retrieval, RAG, if we can use, we can minimize the hallucination. User should always verify critical information generated by AI. So we are not asking to stop AI to use it, but we need to use wisely, and we need to ensure, we need to monitor. These are very critical, that AI is giving the correct information. If it is giving the correct information, then it's fine. If it is giving the incorrect information, we need to cover that. We need to minimize that hallucination by using these techniques. Okay. So these are the few topics I should cover, and the last topic we can cover this, that is AI in everywhere apps. Okay. Now we everyday application, AI is already part of our daily life. How? AI everyday life. How? We use Google Photos, recognize people and places in photos. Okay, we use Netflix and YouTube, where Netflix and YouTube help us to recommend the content based on viewer behavior. So when we are viewing something content in the YouTube channel, so based on that data, it will recommend the history of the data, and it will recommend those topic or those contents. So this is one of the AI use of our daily life. Then Grammarly improves writing with AI. We know how Grammarly use. These are very familiar tools. And Google Translate. So Google Translate translates the language instantly from one language to another language, English to French, English, Bengali to Hindi, Hindi to English. So multiple languages it can translate. So Google Translate is also one of the daily example I can cover for the AI. AI is already integrated in many digital platform, in many digital services nowadays, right? So I think we have almost covered these few basic topics, and these topics are very important to know who are interested to learn in the AI journey. And these topics represents the future of artificial intelligence, and it will grow your knowledge, it will help your career. So I think we have covered these topics, and I thought these topics are very important. That's why I have done this today's session. Please subscribe my channel, and also let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what are topics you want me to explain in AI and generative AI technologies, or any other technologies. If you you are interested to know, then definitely I can able to contact a session for the relevant topics. uh, so mention that in the comment box below, and subscribe to my channel, and extend this video to your colleagues, to your friends, so that people should know these basic foundation of AI for today. Thank you for today's sessions. Thank you all of you. Have a great week this week. Thank you so much.